Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. I'm sure you've already seen or even tried some of our delicious chicken dishes on this channel. But today we have something very different, a chicken recipe that is easy to prepare and incredibly tasty. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a delicious Goan-style chicken dish using fresh chicken, a handful of basic ingredients you already have in your kitchen, and our special homemade Goan Spice Powder, which makes all the difference in taste. This is a healthy chicken fry recipe made in the pan with only 2 tablespoons of oil and requires no deep frying. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan Chicken Fry. So let's get cooking now. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. For the marinade, take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of Goan Spice Powder to use while cooking. Step 2. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 500 grams or half kilo of chicken drumsticks. You can use thighs or even cut pieces of a whole chicken. Add the salt. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add the black pepper powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the red chili powder. Add the lime juice. Mix everything nicely. Ensure all the chicken pieces are completely coated with the marinade. Marinated chicken pieces are ready. Cover and set aside for at least an hour outside, and if you want to keep it for longer, you can keep it in the refrigerator. Step 3. Frying the chicken. On medium heat in an open, heavy bottom pan or non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated pieces of chicken.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Fry the chicken for around 4 minutes without stirring. Cooking the chicken completely will take around 20 to 25 minutes depending on the size of the chicken pieces. After around 4 minutes, turn the chicken pieces and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Frying the chicken without water for around 8 to 10 minutes will lock in the juices and make it tender and flavorful. Do not cover the pan while frying the chicken, but ensure the chicken is not sticking to the pan. After around 3 to 4 minutes, add half of the Goan Spice Powder on one side of the chicken. Turn the chicken pieces and add the remaining Goan Spice Powder. If you want the recipe, type Goan Spice Powder in the comments and we will send it to you. The link for Goan Spice Powder will also be provided in the description box. Rinse the remaining marinade along with 3 tablespoons of water and add. Stir everything nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Now cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally and turn the pieces to ensure all the sides are evenly cooked. Stir everything properly. In between, if you feel the chicken pieces may get stuck to the pan, then you can add 2 tablespoons of water. Stir everything nicely. Ensure all the sides are cooking evenly.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After cooking for 12 to 15 minutes, the excess water will dry out and the chicken will be perfectly cooked. If you're using larger sized chicken pieces, then increase the cooking time by a few minutes. Delicious Goan style chicken fry is ready. Serve the chicken hot with potato fries, fresh green salad, and tomato ketchup.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.